Okay, today we are assembling the Little Tikes hide and seek climber. Here's what all the pieces look like that came out of the box. There's also a bag of little parts to put this all together. So I'm going to show you what this looks like putting it together.
Yeah, hold on.
Is it hard?
No.
And that's what the hide and seek Little Tikes climber looks like. This is such a hit already, even before it was even totally built. So definitely check out the links in the description below for where you can get one of these. I haven't met a kid who doesn't love this.